Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, we will learn about Git and GitHub. So, what is Git? Git is basically a version control system that we use to switch between different versions of software. And GitHub is basically a hosting platform where we will host our code that we will write on Git. So, let's start with the installation. So first we have to install Git from their website official Git SCM. We will go on downloads. Based on your operating system, you can choose Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. Here I am using Windows, that's why I'm clicking on Windows. And basically, based on your system specification, it is as 32 or 64, you can choose that as well. So in my case, I have 64 bit, so I will click on 64 bit. So from here the installation will get started and we will get a file. So let's it is downloading in progress. Meanwhile, we can just create a folder here, new folder on desktop. We will name it as demo. Okay, just open this folder in command prompt. Let's check what is the progress on here. So basically Git has been installed on our system executable file, and we will double click on this file. When we will double click on this file, there would be a launcher and we will go with default options. After that the Git will be installed on our system, and we can check that as well. We can open command prompt and we will give a command git test as version. So the current version is 2.36.0 in my case, and depending on the current version, it will be reflected on your system as well. So that was the installation process. I haven't gone into deep because of time restriction. We will create a series for each and individual functionality for installation. So Git has been installed on a system. Okay, and we have our demo repository open. So the first command to initialize an repository is git init. So this will initialize an empty repository in this demo folder, and we can check that is there any file in it using the command git status. So no commits and there is no files inside this folder. So let's just create an text file inside this folder and just name it sheesh. Okay, just write git and github, click on save and close this file, and just go to the command prompt and again check git status. So it is showing that there has been a file created named assist.txt. So In order to add this file into our folder, we have to use a command git add dot and click on enter. So basically, if we wanted to add only one single file, then we will use git add dot. Okay. And in case we wanted to add all the files, like I will create another file here named 2, click on enter. Again go to this and enter git status. So a new file is there 2.txt, which is in red in color because this file has not been added to the. So we will use git add minus minus all. This command will add all the files which have been modified or in the added in the folder. So just click on enter. So all of the file has been added, and in order to save we will use the command git commit. So commit means save minus m. This is basically a syntax. M denotes message. Inside double quote we will add any message like first commit and click on enter. So our changes has been saved. We, we can verify it as well. Git status. So nothing to commit, working tree clean. Thus we can conclude we have